Welcome to the future. Disrupting the barriers of the traditional education system, Scope Global Skills University is redefining it through fundamental tenets of experience, empowerment, exposure, and employment. We do not teach, we train our students. Central India's first and only skills university, Scope Global Skills University, is attending to nation's pressing need for skill development among youth by transforming them from an inexperienced novice into industry-ready professionals and ensuring their immediate placements from day one. Accredited with UGC, our extensive and progressive institution stands strongly on our four guiding principles: industry alignment, experiential learning, assured placements, and international exposure. Scope Global Skills University